he killed somebody already. That was fast.
Oh, that was fast. Okay, we survived. Guys, whoever survives out of the both of us, me and Fulton, get Robux or something. I don't know.
Okay, if I win, you give me $1 million. If you win, you still give me $1 million.
Is that like $1,000?
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, it's kind of cool.
This is my experiment. Dude, if it's both of us, that would be nuts.
Bro, if it's us, it's the Wild West.
Yeah. No, you're done, pal. I got quick hands. Alright, here we go. Who's up? Who's up?
Oh my gosh. Wait, it actually might be me.
No.
Oh wait, no, yeah, it's not.
I think so. I think it's Ezra. Oh no, I am the glow. Who the heck? That was the longest name of my life. Okay, so it's him versus.
Uh-oh.
Versus